Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have another unboxing to share with you guys. Today I have some products that were sent to me by DIYCHOOSE.com. They reached out to me to ask me to review some products, and I got to pick a couple things that I'm pretty excited about. First thing I will share with you guys is this pen set. So I've seen a couple people share the metal tipped pens, and these ones, they're not stainless steel. It doesn't, I don't know if it actually just says what type of metal they are. So I'm curious to give them a try, but these ones come as a set of 12, and it comes in this cute little plastic container, which is awesome. And you choose the color of pen that you want. So I picked this really pretty pink. I did already stick one on here because I was curious. So I'm hoping that you guys can see, there is the one tip there, and you probably won't be able to see very well on the camera, but there are two ridges, and inside each of those ridges is an elastic band, which helps them stick into the, oh, let me try this side. Yeah, stick into the hole and stay there. So instead of just making sure that that peg fits into the hole, it actually has the rubber band, which helps keep it stuck in there. So also helps because they're removable, right? So you can pick whichever tip that you want in there. So they come with 12. Price was $15.38. I believe that's Canadian. I'll put in the comments down below. I'll double check. That's what I have written down. So it's the plastic container. There is a little piece of foam in here for the packaging so it doesn't move around. And we have a wide variety of tips. So this one is the flat edge that you can use to straighten your drills with. So it's not for placing, it's for straightening. Very cool. And then, like I want to say the way that they are is like the thin placers that I really love. And they have the numbers on them. So let me just spread them out so I can see, or at least try and see the numbers with my blindness. Okay, so this one here is the angled single placer. So there's an angled single and there is a straight single. And then we have a 2, which looks kind of funky. A 3, I think 3 and 4 are like, would be my go-to. That's kind of the size I like to work with. This one is a 4. And then do we have is it a 5? Yeah. So there is a 5. And also a 6, then 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I am going to pick some out, get them in the pen, and put some wax in it and work on a painting. I'll do that in a future video for you guys to give you my opinion on how it works, if it works well, if they bend or anything. But I thought, they're nice and sturdy and heavy, so they have some weight to them, and I thought they were pretty cool. So it's a good deal. And then I have 2 paintings. They are both around the same theme. I've done so many paintings and had to pick out so many to be sent to me that it's really hard for me now. I try and pick stuff that I think that I will like or someone in the family. So for these ones, they may not be to everyone's liking, but I've noticed these on a couple of the website now, and I thought that they were pretty cool. They're meant to look like neon signs. And of course the gaming theme, my son is a big time gamer. So this one says "Do Not Disturb Gamer," and it has the controller. And I thought that's really cool. It does have a pretty much full black background. I think there are some other, around each of the colors, there are some, or each of the pictures, there are some other colors. So it's not fully black, but 16 colors in there. It is all letters and numbers. It does look fairly clear. The canvas is a bit sparkly, which is nice. And the glue looks nice and thick and sticky. So there's a close-up there so you can see. It looks really good. And the thing that I love about this is they are pre-bagged. So I don't need to put them in a container. I can just use the baggies and get going on it. So it's got a lot of dark colors, obviously, but the other colors that are in there look pretty bright. So it's going to be really nice. And then of course there's a white to outline everything. There's the kit, just basic, your boat, wax, and a single placing pen. That one I thought was really cool. That one, 30 by 40, do not disturb. Gamer is $6.65. I want to say, I believe that's the Canadian price. And then this one, same theme. I thought this one was really cool. This one says game room, and it's got like kind of like a sunset to it with the controller. It's also a 30 by 40 and it has 20 colors. Again, all letters and numbers for the symbols. We got DMC codes on both of them. A sparkly canvas and some nice thick glue. I hope you can see the sparkle in there because it's actually really pretty. It's actually got like sparkle the color of what's in there. Which is different. I'm used to seeing like silver sparkle, but this one's got like blue. Really, really pretty. The plastic is nice and thick on these also. Again, same kit, nothing special there. But again, bags for the drills, and look at these bright colors. This one is going to be awesome. I love it. I think it's going to be so cool. I'm hoping my son will like it. And all the bags are labeled. I'm not going to open up right now because they are so nicely packaged, but I'm sure the right amount of colors are in there. Yeah, pretty excited. That one also was $6.65 for the 30 by 40. So I think that those are going to be really cool. I'm hoping that my son enjoys them also. I think that they'll be really cool. All right, so that is it, is DIYCHOOSE.com. I will come back with another video to share this with you guys on actually working with it to see how I like it. Because of course I'm going to work with it for a little while because not just one painting. You got to see how it works and how it holds up. So that is again, thank you again to DIYCHOOSE for sending me these products to review and hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.